In regular expressions, which of the following pair of pattern is wrongly matched with its significance? A or B not, C repeats, D Z any. The correct answer is Z any. What does this representation mean? R-L EQD. An arginine amino acid, leucine amino acid, either aspartic acid, glutamic acid or glutamine. B. An arginine leucine, either aspartic acid, glutamic acid or glutamine. C. An arginine leucine amino acid, either aspartic acid, glutamic acid or glutamine. D. An arginine leucine, aspartic acid and glutamic acid and glutamine. The correct answer is an arginine amino acid, leucine amino acid, either aspartic acid, glutamic acid or glutamine. Emotif uses which databases for alignment of sequences? A. Blocks and prints databases. B. PROSITE. C. Blocks. D. Prints. The correct answer is blocks and prints databases. While scanning for similarities in motifs, how regular expressions techniques work? A. It represents a sequence family by a string of characters and further compares them. B. An algorithm similar to dynamic programming is used. C. Dot matrix analysis is used in this type of sequence analysis. D. Matrix analysis methods are used in this type. The correct answer is it represents a sequence family by a string of characters and further compares them. In terminologies related to regular expressions, which of the following is false about terms and operators? A. Terms are strings or substrings. B. Operators combine terms and expressions. C. Operators do not have precedence. D. Operators have precedence like arithmetic operators. The correct answer is operators do not have precedence. While analyzing motif sequences, what is the major disadvantageous feature of PROSITE? A. The database constructs profiles to complement some of the sequence patterns. B. The functional information of these patterns is primarily based on published literature. C. Some of the sequence patterns are too short to be specific. D. Lack of specificity about probability and variation and relation between them. The correct answer is some of the sequence patterns are too short to be specific. Which of the following is not a characteristic of exact matches in regular expression? A. There must be a strict match of sequence patterns. B. Any variations in the query sequence from the predefined patterns are not allowed. C. Provide more permissive matching by allowing more flexible matching of residues of similar biochemical properties. D. Searching a motif database using this approach results in either a match or non-match. The correct answer is provide more permissive matching by allowing more flexible matching of residues of similar biochemical properties. Which of the following best defines regular expressions? A. They are made up of terms, operators, and modifiers. B. They describe string or set of strings to find matching patterns. C. They are strictly restricted to alignment and corresponding score. D. They consist of set of rules for the connotations of various amino acid residues. The correct answer is they describe string or set of strings to find matching patterns. Which of the following is not a characteristic of fuzzy or approximate matches in regular expression? A. This method is able to include more variant forms of a motif with a conserved function. B. The rule of matching is based on observations, not actual assumptions. C. With the more relaxed matching there is increase of the noise level and false positives. D. The rule of matching is based on assumptions, not actual observations. The correct answer is the rule of matching is based on observations, not actual assumptions.